Welcome to this video, Trigonometric Ratios. So in trigonometry, I'll be presenting now the easiest techniques in finding the trigonometric ratios. So for example, on this triangle, we're gonna find the trigonometric ratios using these formulas. The SOHCAHTOA. This is the technique, the easiest technique to remember the formulas and finding the trigonometric ratios. SO stands for sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Ka stands for cosine equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA stands for tangent equals to opposite over adjacent. So for example, on this triangle, on this angle, this is the angle here. Our hypotenuse side is the longest side. This one, this 5. Then this would be the adjacent next to an angle. Then this is the opposite side. So for example, we're gonna find sine theta. Since sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse, so sine equals to 3/5. Cosine theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, so 4/5. While tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent, so opposite 3/4. So another example, as you can see, we just use the same angle, the same triangle on our first example, but in this example we had a specific angle, which is angle X, and this changes the position of our side. So for example, this one, since here's gonna be our angle X, hypotenuse would always be the longest side, and that is 5. It stays 5. Then now the changes would appear in the opposite and the adjacent. So since adjacent side is next to an angle, so our adjacent would be 3, while the opposite of our angle is 4. So that's the difference. So for example, we're gonna find sine. We're not gonna use theta anymore since we have specific angle, so that's gonna be sine x is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite of our angle is 4 over hypotenuse 5. Sine x equals to 4/5. Next, cosine x is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is 3 next to our angle x over hypotenuse 5. Next is tangent x equals to opposite over adjacent. So our opposite side is 4 and our adjacent side is 3. So that's it. Thank you.